Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I did this exact video the other day, and the gentleman I did it for doesn't quite understand when I rotated it 15 degrees. How did I come up with 15 degrees and so on and so on. And also in that video, I did a little bit different where you could see all these nodes are not joined, and I went through and used the join curves nodes, and you can see that line is just a line. So when I brought this back in, I thought, why don't we just use my old friend, the Smart Fill tool? And when we do that, left click, right click, now they're all one line. They're all, not individual pieces like you can see there. And you could possibly even weld it. But we're going to get rid of that. We're going to go get rid of that and go ahead and hit this, and you see I can move it all in one piece. Okay, there are 24 male pieces. I counted them. And to me, the easiest way to count is bring in an indexing line and hit P, and then just count half of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's half of them, so you got 24. So how I came up with the 15 degrees is if you bring up a calculator, you go 360 divided by 15, or 24, I mean, you get 15. So it's equal. So the other day I took this and I broke all this apart, right clicked, break apart, and then I took my virtual segment delete key and deleted those lines. And I'm going to change this to a hairline so it looks better and easier to work with. So we need 15 of these, or we need 24 of these. So I had it in the center page. I'm going to go in and bring indexing lines because my circle is gone now. Whoop. So I need this indexing line. So that's the center of my page. I'm going to go ahead and Control D. Oh, I don't have to do it if I want to use the rotation. I'm going to double click on the rotation and put it here. And he also asked why I picked 23 instead of 24. Well, when you open up the Docker, the transform or transformation Docker, we're going to go 15 degrees and we need 24, but we've already got one. If you look right here, it says copies. Whenever Corel says copies, it's going to put another copy, not counting this one, to make the 24. So that's how I came up with the 15 degrees. I divided 24 by 3, or 360 by 24, and came up with 15. This particular case, it came out perfect. Corel will actually do the math for you if you'll put in, well, let's just do this. 360 divided by 24, and it comes up with 15 degrees. I mean, I don't care if you have 27 and you divide it by, or if you have, 27 divided by, let's just do it. 360, let's say it was 20, let's say there were 27 of them, make it hard for Corel, and hit enter. Now the angle is 13.333. It's going to work. Now it actually moved it. But Corel will do the math for you. So that's how I came up with the 15 degree angle and the 23. Always remember that when you're working with Corel, and right here, if it says copies, it means that don't use the one you're using and make 23 copies. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.